Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Chuluota, Florida, a charming community in Seminole County, just north of Orlando. The name Chuluota is derived from the Creek Indian word Chuluoto, which is believed to mean Isle of Pines, Pine Island, or Land of Lakes and Pines. The area was first settled after the Civil War by pioneers from North Carolina. They were drawn to the region's natural beauty and resources, establishing orange groves, cattle ranches, and turpentine production. A railroad was built to support transportation for passengers and goods. Nature enthusiasts will appreciate the Chuluota Wilderness Area, a 600-acre natural preserve featuring diverse ecosystems like mesic hammocks, pond pine flatwoods, and hardwood swamps. This area provides habitat for wildlife such as white-tailed deer and gopher tortoises. Enjoy the scenic drive through Chuluota, a community rich in history and natural beauty.
Thanks for watching!